Hi, good evening. It is December 4th. I'm like 4 days behind on this little advent calendar jigsaw puzzle right here. So we're going to crack it open and see if we can get through 4 days. Kind of got a makeshift little setup here in my kitchen real quick. Yeah, it's just a box that I cracked open, my stand, and we're going to get through the first 4 puzzles and see if we can get through 24. I'm going to see if I can be consistent with this. These videos ain't gonna be long, so let's get into this. Let's get it, let's go. Alright guys, so here we are. Here is the advent calendar. Give me 2 seconds, I will be right back. Let's get that back in focus. Okay, let's go. So we have a 24-day advent calendar. It is December 4th. It goes from the 1st to the 24th. Now let's open it. I have not opened this yet. I just took the plastic off of it. So let's do it. There's the box top. Here is the picture. It's the same as on the box. So here's the references, I guess, let's be going off of. Here are the 24 boxes. Need to zoom out just a little bit. Okay, there we go. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Take out 1, 2, 3, and 4, and we will take the top, close it back up, okay, we got it closed, so we're just going to put that right there. Okay, that is right there. Alright, there we go. Okay, so we got 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we're gonna open up box 1. And day 4. That is the box. It is 1,000 pieces. 24-day advent calendar. I have done the first 4 days since today is December 4th. Alright guys, so there you have it. That is day 1 through 4. Sorry for me being in a tank top, but I am off this for the night. See you guys later.